So next type of planning. So now we will do on the basis of objective. এতক্ষণ বললাম importance, use, tenure. এবার পড়বো on the basis of objective. On the basis of objective. On the basis of objective. Okay, on the basis of objective, planning is of 5 types. Number 1, developmental planning or development planning. Correct? Development planning. So what is development? Within an organization, what are the development we can do or we can think of? What are the development we can do or we can think of? Yes? Think. What are the development? We can diversify our business. মানে আমাদের বিজনেসটাকে আরো বড় করতে পারি, স্প্রেড করতে পারি. We can do research. We can do several other development programs. We can develop our organization, we can develop our plan, we can develop our manpower structure, we can develop our resources, everything. Clear? We can abandon certain things যেগুলো আমার কাজে লাগছে না সেগুলোকে আমি বাদ দিতে পারি. So this is development planning. Development planning comprises of all the development that an organization can do. All the development that an organization thinks of doing. Which may include certain abandonment. Abandonment কথাটার মানে হচ্ছে neglecting certain things that are not necessary for an organization. একটা অর্গানাইজেশনে সবকিছু দরকারি হতে পারে না, কিছু কিছু দরকারি হতে পারে, সেগুলোকে এবার যেগুলো অকাজের জিনিস, যেগুলো আমার কোনো কাজে না, something which is of no use, we need to reject those things. So we are abandoning those things. Clear? We are doing research work in order to find out in which market more and more we can become famous. Research to see what our competitors are doing. আমি আর কেন রিসার্চ করি টু ফাইন্ড যে আমার কম্পিটিটররা কি প্ল্যান করছে, সো দেন আমি তাদের আগে একটা কোনো স্ট্র্যাটেজি ইউজ করতে পারি, বিকজ ইন টুডেজ মার্কেট দের আর হিউজ কম্পিটিটর্স ইন এভরি ফিল্ড. Correct? So in order to stand out, you need to plan continuously and a proper plan is required. কারেক্ট? যেমন তোদের তোরা নিজেরা বুঝতে পারছিস, তোরা নিজেরা ফেস করে এলি, তোরা যখন এইচএস দিলি, এইচএস কিভাবে হলো, আফটার দ্যাট এভরিওয়ান হ্যাভ স্কোর্ড 90, 80. সো কি হলো, কলেজ অ্যাডমিশন বিকাম ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট, বিকজ হোয়াট, কম্পিটিটার্স বেড়ে গেল. যেখানে আগে কম্পিটিটার্স 20টা ছিল, সেখানে এখন কম্পিটিটার্স 50টা. Correct? So it became difficult to get entry into colleges, into universities, because of such huge number that each and every student is having in their mark sheet. So in order to stand out, you need to perform. In order to stand out, you need to do certain things that will make you stand out amongst the crowd. That's why development planning is required. Clear? Number 2, strategic planning. See, strategic planning. So this type of planning are long-term plannings, and this strategic plannings are mainly made by the top level of management. The top level of management makes these strategies. Why strategies are required? Why we require strategies? Why we require strategies? Again, to stand out. To stand out amongst the crowd. Here are, in this market, here are several organizations producing the same thing. Now, you want to stand out in this crowd. You need to do certain strategy to stand out amongst this. Yes or no? This is strategic planning. And this strategies is not possible for everybody to make a strategic plan. Because the top level of the organization are sitting there handling each and everything. They have news about each and every other level. They have news. So they are strategizing, they are seeing the market, they are not only monitoring the internal environment, they are monitoring the external environment as well. And building strategies, strong strategies. So this type of planning is done by which level of management? Top level of management. Question comes very often. So what is development planning? What is strategic planning? Done. Next, number 3. Number 3 is what? Corporate planning. Number 3 is what? Corporate planning. So what corporate planning depends upon many things. Like when we are developing an organization, so an organization becomes a corporate body. It's a corporate body. That organization at a corporate body. So corporate planning তাহলে কি based হবে? একটা organization develop হচ্ছে একটা societyর মধ্যে, একটা environmenটের মধ্যে. So this organization needs to plan about what things? ফার্স্ট ওদের মাথায় কি আসছে? গভর্নমেন্ট পলিসি, সাপ্লাই, মার্কেট, skills. Correct? So this type of planning, this type of corporate planning is very essential for the organization, because an organization needs to deal with several things, not only in internal affairs but also external affairs like government, like environment, the society. Okay, the supply market, the skill market, the skill labor market. They have to think labor kotha theke pabe organization e, skilled labor pabe but in a proper cost. Skilled labor, because skilled people er demand onek beshi, educated people er demand onek beshi. For an organization to run well, they require skilled people, knowledgeable people. They require the supply market information, a proper supply market যেখানে কম রেটে সাপ্লাই পাবে। গভর্নমেন্ট পলিসির ব্যাপারে প্ল্যান করতে হবে। দ্যাট ইজ কর্পোরেট প্ল্যানিং। ওকে, সো দিস কর্পোরেট প্ল্যানিং তাহলে কার কার উপরে ডিপেন্ড করবে? আমার ব্যবসাটা কেমন, আমার বিজনেস সাইকেল, আমার টার্নওভার কি বিজনেসের, আমার মেজর ডিসিশনস কি বিজনেসের, আমার বিজনেসের অবজেক্টিভ কি। So this planning depends upon what? Business cycle, objectives, decisions, everything. Correct? The development planning deals with all the development activities that an organization or certain abandonments that an organization can do. Strategic planning done by the top level of managers, and it's a long-term planning. What is this planning? Corporate planning. Corporate planning deals with what? To solve several complex problems such as government policy, supply market issues, skill labor market issues. Correct? Next, tax planning. So this is very important, you all know. We are all taxpayers. We are paying tax. Correct? So tax planning for an organization is very crucial, because they need to manage that. Yes, we cannot just tax hum log means tax hamra mere debo na. We cannot just avoid tax. But we have to give tax, also we need to plan properly so that our tax becomes the amount of the tax reduces. We cannot evade tax. Evasion of tax is wrong. We cannot evade tax. We just cannot evade tax. Evasion is wrong. আমি tax মেরে দিতে পারি না, কিন্তু আমরা ট্যাক্সটাকে প্রপারলি প্ল্যান করতে পারি। 20,000-এর বদলে সেটা 15,000 হতে পারে, সেই প্ল্যানিংটা দরকার। সো ট্যাক্স প্ল্যানিং। 20,000 টাকা আমার ট্যাক্স আমি দেবো না, দ্যাটস রং। বাট 20,000 টাকা 15,000 করবো, দ্যাটস নট রং। উই ক্যান ডু দ্যাট উইথ প্রপার প্ল্যানিং। ইট রিকোয়ার্স প্রপার প্ল্যানিং। Clear? Number 5 and the last one is operational or tactical planning. Tactical বা operational planning. Tactical or operational planning. The last one is what? Tactical or operational planning. It's a part of this strategic planning only. It's a part of this strategic planning only, but this type of planning are done in order to solve temporary problems that may arise within an organization. See, যখন তখন কোনো না কোনো প্রবলেমস আসতেই পারে। Correct? We know we have faced all these situations. Any type of problem can arise at any point of time. So we need to be prepared. We need to think with a cool mind what to do at this point of time. So organization faces all this situation very often because our technology is growing so fast. Everything, our environment, our society, our manpower, our thinking, people's thinking, customers' thinking are changing so rapidly. So organization needs to handle problems that may arise now and then. And for solving those problems that are arising now and then, organization need to have a tactical or operational planning. Is it correct? So what again let's discuss based on what? Based on objectives, what we are planning. There are different types of plan. One is a development plan. Development plan is what? Development planning is when we are dealing with development, when the organization dealing with development, research activities, sudden abandonments, strategic taken by top level managers. Long-term planning. Again, when we are talking about corporate planning, they need to solve complex issues that a corporate might face, like government policies, the labor, the skills, everything. Tax planning, yes, we cannot evade tax, but we can to a certain extent reduce our tax. But a proper planning is required for that. Is it correct? Is it correct? And next comes what? Corporate planning. So what is corporate planning? corporate planning. Oh, corporate planning done. Next comes tactical and operational, which is a part of strategic planning. But what this type of planning is need to solve what temporary issues that may arise within an organization. Temporary issues that may arise within an organization. Is it correct? Is it okay? Okay, and last type of planning is based on nature. And today we will complete this type of planning. And last is based on nature. Number 1 is physical planning. Based on nature, planning is again of 5 types. Physical planning. So for any physical development, when an organization plan, physical development means what? The organization is making any construction of building, doing any construction, any physical development. Okay, কিছু physical কাজ করছে যেটা আমরা কিছু physically develop করছি, machinery কিছু ঠিক করছি, physically কিছু plan করছি, that is physical planning. Number 2 is functional planning, for performance of job. Functional planning means how a person is performing, how the organization is performing. When we plan for this, when we plan for the performance, একটা worker কিভাবে কাজ করছে তার ব্যাপারে কি যখন আমি প্ল্যান করছি যে একে এইভাবে দিলে এইভাবে বেটার কাজ করবে. If I give the worker this amount of resources, or if I give the worker this position, the worker can work better. His performance can further increase. So whenever we plan based on the performance of organization or performance of the manpower, human resources, or performance of any machinery, we do what? Functional planning. Number 3 is what? Comprehensive planning. What is comprehensive planning? Planning for the entire. Comprehensive means what? Planning for the entire enterprise. It combines both physical and functional planning. So it's a combination of physical and functional planning. It includes not only physical planning but also functional planning. So it's a combination of both physical and functional. So which planning is a combination of both physical and functional planning? Comprehensive planning. Which planning is a part of strategic planning, tactical or operational planning? Remember this. Number 4, administrative planning. For this is easy, for implementation of several administrative work. Yes, an administrative have several works that to implement those administrative issues. যে কোনো administrative issue কে implement করার জন্য যে document planning দরকার সেটাকে বলবো আমি administrative planning. These are easy. And the last is environment planning. Environment protection planning. See what we আমি আগেও বললাম, what we said, that an organization is built within a society, within an environment. So protecting the environment is very necessary these days. Previously, organization used to think only for profit motive, but now not only profit motive, the organization now need to think about the society, about the people surrounding the organization, about the society where the organization is itself standing. So if you start harming those people or the environment, the organization can't survive. So thinking about environment protection is very important nowadays. It's very important. Clear? So based on nature, planning is what? Physical, and it's easy for any physical development. Functional means for planning regarding any program, planning regarding any performance. Okay, for comprehensive is a combination of physical and functional planning. Administrative, to implement administrative work, and environment protection planning. It's easy. Environment protection, why? Because organization is a part of the environment, so protecting the environment is a must. We need to protect our environment because we are surviving in this environment, and we actually do not protect our environment. We are just doing whatever we are feeling. See what a big hazard we are facing nowadays. Maybe that's for a virus or whatever but it's impacting so badly. It has impacted mankind so badly. So we are doing whatever. We are not thinking that what is our future. Correct? We are not thinking. If once natural calamities comes, then nobody can do anything. So we need to think before the nature treats us that way. So we need to protect our nature, and nature will protect us. Correct? So this completes my types of planning. Okay, thank you class, and in the next class we'll again continue with this. Thank you.